Sometimes life asks us to decide. Do we take the comfortable path, or do we face our fear and move in the direction of our dreams? Today, during our time together, I hope you're inspired to follow the path that's right for you. Our beautiful new Cabochon pattern by Megan Gonzalez is a sumptuous buttery wrap. The elegant shape of the shawl resembles an arrow, and so with every stitch and every row, let it remind you to follow your dreams. I remember when I had to make a really tough choice. I could stay in a safe and secure job, or I could do that thing which filled my heart with joy. And so I looked at those two paths that were stretched out before me, and for me, there was no hesitation. I knew I had to follow my dream of starting my own hand-dyed yarn company. And so even though I was filled with fear and self-doubt and trepidation, I was so scared, honestly, I took the leap. And I'm so glad I did, even though I was shaking in my boots, because I'm here today getting to share this beautiful pattern with you. And I think you're gonna love the elegant simplicity of this Cabochon pattern. It's got soothing sections of garter stitch to calm your mind, and this beautiful little bobble stitch, which I think is gonna provide just a gorgeous little pop of texture and fun for you. So the kit we use to make this is our Boho Dreamer Hues, which we hope inspires you to follow your dreams, because your life is your creation. It's your perpetual work in progress. The yarn that we use is our buttery and creamy Alpaca Silk DK yarn. It's soft, it's smooth, and it catches the light ever so elegantly. And I remember way back in the day when I first started knitting, I looked for a yarn like this, and so I'm thrilled that all these years later, I was able to create one for you. If you'd love to get this pattern and the yarn, hop on over to expressionfiberarts.com. While you're there, sign up for email updates to receive weekly free knit and crochet patterns. And I'm actually gonna be giving away one of our beautiful Boho Dreamer Hues sets today, so keep watching. So I would love to show you how easy it is to make this shawl. You do have sections of this gorgeous garter stitch throughout your shawl, and to create the arrow shape, you have decreases on each end and an increase in the center. So here's how you do that. Get started with row 1. We're just gonna knit all the way across. So I've only cast on 15 stitches just so I can show you a smaller swatch today. You'll have quite a few more. So a nice and easy row. So garter stitch is pretty much just knitting every stitch every row. And we're gonna form that really cool arrow shape with a few simple decreases and increases. And I think you'll love the technique. Knit and knit. So there's row 1. For row 2, we're gonna start with a knit 1. And we're gonna work a decrease. So a knit 2 together. So just knit the next 2 stitches together, turning 2 into 1. Then for you, you're actually gonna knit 47. I'm just gonna knit 4, 3, 4, and then this is gonna be the center of our arrow. So you're gonna knit yarn over knit. And to do that, just knit into the next stitch, but leave it on your needle. Work a yarn over, and then knit again into that same stitch. And then you can slide it off your left needle. So that's our increase in the center. Then you're gonna knit 47, and I'm just gonna knit 4, 3, 4. Then you're gonna work a slip, slip, knit. So it's another decrease. So slip the next stitch, and the next stitch, and knit those together. And then you're just gonna knit the final stitch. For row 3, you're just gonna knit across. So that is it, super simple. Oh, and as I mentioned, I am giving away a set of our Boho Dreamer Hues yarn. So to enter, just make sure that you're subscribed to our YouTube channel, and go ahead and comment below, letting me know something that you've been wanting to try, a dream that you've had in your heart. Knit and knit. Then you just continue repeating rows 2 and 3 for that section. So when you continue repeating those rows, you can see you're gonna start to get that shape. And this side will be taking that shape too, it's just on my needles. And then you can see on the real piece, you get this beautiful little angled arrow. Now we're gonna make these fun little bobbles. They add such a gorgeous little texture. They're quite simple to make, and they resemble little cabochons, which are smooth, polished gems. I'm gonna work a portion of row 7, so you can see how to work the stitches and the bobbles. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a knit 3, 2, 3, and then I'm going to work a knit 2 together, which is a decrease, a yarn over, it's an increase, and then knit 4, 2, 3, 4, and then here's how you make your bobble. So into the next stitch, you're going to knit into the front, leave it on your left needle, knit into the back of the same stitch, leave it on your left needle, knit into the front of the stitch, leave it on your left needle, and then knit into the back of it. So you've turned 1 into 4 stitches, and then you can go ahead and drop it off of your left needle. Next, we're going to actually turn, and we're going to purl across those 4 stitches that we made. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to turn again, and we're going to knit across those same 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and turn again and purl across those same 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then turn a final time, and you're just going to knit all of those 4 stitches together. So go ahead and slide your needle under all 4 of those and just knit them together, and that'll close up the top of your bobble. And then when you poke it out, boop, there's your little bobble. So moving on, we're going to go ahead and knit 3, 2, 3, and I'm going to show you how to work the bobble again. So into your next stitch, knit into the front, swing around, knit into the back, swing around, knit into the front, and into the back. So you should have 4 stitches now. Then turn and purl those 4 stitches. One, 2, 3, 4, and then go ahead and turn back, and now you're going to knit across them. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn again and purl across. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then turn your final time, and you're going to knit all those 4 stitches together. Just insert your right needle under all 4 and knit them together, and then you can pop your little bobble out. Boop, there it is. Super cute. Now I'm going to go ahead and jump into the knit 5 that comes after this portion and show you what we've got. So here's our 2 cute little bobbles, and on the actual shawl you can see how fun they are. They give such a bobbly little texture. Thank you so much for being here today. I believe that you found this video for a reason. Today just might be the day for you to start down your new path. Perhaps that means mending a broken relationship, allowing your heart to heal and soften, or simply facing fear in the face and moving in the direction of your dreams. Whatever it may be, know that you've got this. Take heart, my beautiful friend, and I will see you next week with another new pattern. Bye!